Hi there, my name's Andy Lee. I'm from Datapath in the UK and we're at ISE 2023 showing our Aetria software and hardware solution for control rooms. So my colleague Iñaki is here with the Aetria workstation software. So what it allows us to do is bring in sources, whether they are IP, through capture cards, through our own AV over IP encoders, transmitter receiver setups, so we can bring in all of those sources, and it allows us to multi-window the operator desktop, so we then have complete control, flexibility. He's demonstrating the KVM element, so we can take that source, KVM into it, give us control, and then we have the option of then sending it to the video wall, sending it to a breakout screen, and sharing it with other operators. So it's the full control room solution, building on our tried and tested video wall controllers. So previously we were just taking sources in and pushing them to a video wall. Aetria is about sharing those sources around multiple video walls, operators, breakout screens, and basically any source anywhere. So we've had a great show, coming to the end of it now. If you want to see more about Aetria and our control room solutions, please visit www.datapath.co.uk.